Good morning everyone and welcome to your English class. So today the chapter that we are going to do is chapter number 10, pronouns part 2. First we had done pronouns part 1. Now we are going to do this we had done. Now we are going to do pronouns part 2. Okay? In pronoun parts 2, the part of pronouns that we are going to learn is reflexive pronoun. Okay? So what is reflexive pronoun? Reflexive pronoun is it actually shows your own self. Okay, so here the definition of pronoun is the pronoun myself, ourself, yourself, yourselves, himself, herself, itself, themselves, when used as the object of a verb or preposition. Okay, is used as the object of a verb or a preposition. See, for example, the girl saw herself in the mirror. Okay, so whom did she see in the mirror? She saw herself. Okay, I wash myself when I get up. So whom does that I wash myself? Okay, so here whom did the girl see? Herself. Whom did I wash when I get up? Myself. The horse has hurt itself. Itself is used for non-living things or the things or the gender we don't know. Okay, so whom has the horse hurt? Itself. You will hurt yourself. Whom will you hurt? You will hurt yourself. Okay, so here we see that in each case the doer of the action is also the receiver of the action. Doer means who is doing that thing and receiver means who is receiving the thing, are the same person. Okay, in other words, the object donates to the same person or thing as the subject. That means the person who is doing the thing and who is receiving the thing is the same person. Okay, so your reflexive pronoun means this. So here see, you have exercise also and you have so many examples also. So you have to carefully use words where which word you have to use. See, where there comes yourselves. Okay, themselves. So these are the words that are used with plurals. Okay, myself, yourself are used with singulars. Himself, herself, itself, they are used for singulars, and ourselves, yourselves, themselves are used for plurals. Okay, see here you can see in the box, myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself is used for singular. For plural it is used ourselves, yourselves, themselves. Okay, so remember these things whenever you use where you have to use plural and where you have to use singular. Okay, with I, any sentence beginning with I is always you have to use myself. My is used with I. Clear? Now the next one is interrogative pronouns. Very simple. That asks us questions. An interrogative pronoun is not followed by a noun. It is not followed by a noun. Okay, whenever there is an interrogative pronoun, it is not followed by a noun. So interrogative is words like who, whom, whose, where, which, what that are used to ask questions are called interrogative pronouns. Words that are used to ask questions are used as interrogative pronouns. Simple. Who is that boy? Whom did you meet? Which of those two is yours? Whom did you see? I saw Raja. Whose are these books? What did you say? Which of these girls is your sister? Which of these books are you want? See, who, whom, which, whom, whose, what, which. These are all questions. It is asking questions. So it comes under interrogative pronouns. Okay. Okay, so the last one is relative pronouns. Okay. So relative pronoun is words like who, whom, whose, which, where that play the role of referring elements are called relative pronouns. It relates one thing to another, which is used for things. It is relating one to another. Okay, like this is the boy who won the race. So these two sentences are relating each other. Okay, by whom? The word which is relating, the word is who. Okay, it is saying that this is the boy who won the race. Okay, so this is the boy who won the race. So the race is won by this boy. So the sentence is relating to each other. Okay, this is the girl who tops in the class. So this is the girl the both sentences are related to each other. Who is topping in the class? The girl is topping in the class. So they are interrelated. Okay, so it shows the relation. Relative pronoun relates two sentences together by the use of who, whom, whose. See, relative pronoun you will never use a question mark. Okay, but in an interrogative pronoun you will always use a question mark. So the biggest difference is this. So don't get confused. Okay, because who, whom, whose, where, which is also used in interrogative and used in relative pronouns also, but in interrogative it is followed by a question mark, and here it is not followed by a question mark. Okay, one more example. This is the car which cost a fortune. Okay, so here it both are related to each other, means it costs a fortune. Fortune means the price is very high. So these are two related to each other, because this is also talking about the car. Okay, so it is saying something about the car, and this car, this sentence is itself mentioning what the sentence is following. Okay, here it is written the car. So how is the car? So here it is written that it costs a fortune. Okay, simple. So today we have done relative pronoun, we have done reflexive pronoun, and we have done interrogative pronoun. With this, your pronoun part 1 and part 2 gets finished. So just go through all the parts of pronoun, definition of pronoun, and if you have any kind of question, you can ask. Thank you.